Hello folks, this is Steve, AB4L. I want to show you something I noticed. Now you know they've been doing the fiber on the north side of the road, and I've shown you a couple times. Now this is where the water pipeline will cross over. I've done a video on that. They're not up to doing it here yet, but it'll cross the road and it'll go. Now watch this, this is interesting. So there's the fiber. Okay, there we go. They're doing it on the other side of the road. Got it. The water pipeline, as best I know, will be on the north side of Substation Road. So they're putting the fiber in on the south side of this road. Pardon the sun. No, they're putting it in here. This is going to be very interesting. They're putting it in on the south side. So they're going under the road. There's a boring machine. Oh, this is going to be interesting. The water was on the road. Water on the road. Those are like mouse holes, snake holes, where they're drilling. They have to use the water for hydraulic lubrication, and it comes up through the creature holes. I got to get down here and turn around. Sorry we have the sun in our eyes. We'll get it on the way back. A school bus comes down here every day to drop kids off. That's the substation power distribution plant. Okay, now we'll look at it going back. Now, are they laying the fiber down here to service the substation, or are they going to do the same thing as the water pipeline and follow the electricity path over to Fresno Road? My guess that's what they're going to do too. Okay, now that power lines you see there goes to the solar field that's nearby, up on Sunflower Road. There's nobody behind me, as you know, so we're getting a look at them. Now they're digging something. Do you think they're digging to put a junction box in, or are they digging because they hit something and they have to break it up? My guess, they hit something and they have to break it up. The road is marked where they came across. There's a lot of bedrock on the right-hand side. It's right at the surface. I remember it when they were building the bypass. So this is another chapter in the North Side fiber story. And as I said, when they get to this part, the water pipeline will have come up to here on the south side of the road, which is across, and then they're going to come across the road and follow Substation Road, go around the substation yard, and then follow the right-of-way. I can't see to the right. Oh, there's a lot of traffic. I think it'll be safer if I go right, go down and turn around. The sun is directly in my eyes. Steve AB4L, just being nosy, get another view of them. In the continuing story of two different projects digging along the same route at the same time, saying see you at 73.